Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete pictures and videos on your PS5. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to delete some photos or screenshots that you accidentally took while in game. How do you actually go ahead and delete those? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, let's first navigate to the upper right hand corner where it says settings. Next, click on storage, which is right over here. Next, click on console storage. Then from here, you want to scroll down and click on media gallery. So what this is going to do is that it's going to show all the screenshots that you've taken on your PS5. So any videos or screenshots that you've taken, go ahead and click on it, and then you can actually go ahead and delete it just like this. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete photos and videos on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.